Ever wondered why your heart skips a beat when you see that special someone? Well, you're not alone. Love, that overwhelming sensation, is not just an emotion. It's a complex interplay of biology, psychology, and culture. It's a chemical cocktail, a mental maze, and a cultural construct all at once. It's a universal experience yet so deeply personal and unique. So, are you ready to dive deep into the intriguing world of love and relationships? Let's unravel the mystery behind this universal emotion. You may not realize it, but there's a lot of chemistry involved in love. No, I'm not talking about the sparks flying when you lock eyes with your sweetheart. I'm talking about the literal biological chemistry that takes place within our bodies when we fall in love. This chemistry revolves around hormones, those powerful little messengers in our body that control so much of how we feel and behave. Let's start with oxytocin, often dubbed the love hormone. This hormone plays a pivotal role in bonding and creating connections. It's released during acts of intimacy like hugging, kissing, and even during childbirth, helping to forge the strong bond between mother and child. When you're around someone you love, your oxytocin levels soar, making you feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Next up, we have vasopressin. This hormone, like oxytocin, is also linked to bonding and social behavior. But it seems to play an especially important role in long-term relationships. Studies have found that couples with high levels of vasopressin tend to be more committed and show less desire to stray. So, you could say that vasopressin is the commitment hormone. And then there's dopamine, the feel-good hormone. This is the hormone that gives you that euphoric feeling when you're falling in love. It's like a natural high. When you're around the person you love, your brain releases dopamine, making you feel happy, excited, and craving more of those lovey-dovey moments. But it's not just about these hormones acting individually. They all work together, creating a cocktail of chemicals that contribute to the complex feelings associated with love. They create a symphony of sorts with oxytocin, vasopressin, and dopamine, each playing their part to create the beautiful melody of love. So love is not just about the fluttering of hearts, but also about the firing of neurons and the release of hormones. They say love is a many-splendored thing. And when you look at it from a chemical perspective, it's clear to see why. It's a fascinating blend of biology and emotion, a testament to the intricate and amazing nature of the human body and mind. Ever wondered what happens in your brain when you're in love? Well, it's a fascinating symphony of activity with several brain regions playing their part. Firstly, there's the limbic system, often referred to as the emotional brain. It's a complex network of structures that generate our feelings, and when we're in love, it lights up like a Christmas tree. The limbic system is also home to the amygdala, which plays a key role in emotional reactions. Then we have the reward pathway, a dopamine-drenched highway that makes us feel good. When you're in love, the reward pathway goes into overdrive, bathing your brain in feel-good chemicals and creating that euphoric feeling we associate with love. But it's not just about feeling good. Love also activates the brain areas associated with empathy, compassion, and patience, helping us to connect and bond with our partner on a deeper level. Indeed, love is a splendid dance of neurochemicals in the brain. Did you know that love has evolutionary roots? Yes, it's true. Love, as we experience it, is more than just a fleeting emotion. It has been molded and shaped by the forces of evolution over time. From an evolutionary perspective, love and attachment have been essential for the survival of our species. Love, or more specifically, the desire to form long-term relationships, has likely evolved as a way for us to ensure the survival and well-being of our offspring. It's a binding force that promotes unity, cooperation, and mutual care, essential elements for raising children and ensuring their survival. Moreover, love has also played a crucial role in human survival beyond child-rearing. It has fostered social bonds and alliances which have been vital in our evolutionary history. These bonds have helped us to survive in harsh environments, ward off predators, and share resources. So, love is not just a whimsical emotion, but a powerful force that has shaped human evolution. So, we have seen that love is a complex interplay of chemistry, brain activity, and evolution. It's more than just a feeling. It's dopamine, oxytocin, and a neural network lighting up. It's survival instincts and an evolutionary drive for companionship. Love, in all its beautiful and sometimes chaotic forms, is a multifaceted phenomenon, deeply rooted in our biology. Next time your heart skips a beat, remember that there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. Stay curious and keep exploring the science of love.